the baby strategy. The settings are in the Telegram group of SageX and also the Legend of Quasimodo. Without wasting much time, I'm gonna show you today how to find entries like I do, how to identify the flag patterns, each and every single details, how to measure your stop loss without setting one, and how to measure your TP, how to set up your gray areas so that you know where the market direction will be limited to, the liquidation, etc. So right here I've identified my flag right here, and also I have identified that it's a flag, and the way the flag happens is that it starts by going in the zigzag pattern, and it follows direction in the pattern first before it decides to break the trend line. The breaking of the trend line is a topic for another day, but today we are just gonna focus on the flags and the pennants, of course, since they are in the same criteria. Why am I buying here? Isn't it supposed to sell? And of course, this was the money that I got from that buy bid up, so I just deposited it straight here so that I can show you how to raise it more. So if you quantify on that app, you get $3 every day. So from doing that, I just deposit here. So this is a clear signal that it is follow direction and bought, breaking the trend line without even making a retracement or any reverse patterns. I have sold with 20 cents in Drift Switch 20 index, which was very reliable and safe as well. So I'm gonna close my profit. Now we're in $10. So since we're in $10, this means that I can leverage a higher position in the next trade and I can earn more. This is another example of a flag. This is a bullish flag. So bullish flags always have a mischievous pattern of going up in the end, but sometimes in the process they go down first. So you have to identify using the time frame you are using. Since I'm using M30, it's gonna follow the trend first by following the zigzag pattern, the ladder, by going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then finally it will break the trend line by going in its intended direction, which is the buy. If you do not want to stress yourself, you can just buy using a small lot and then wait for a few hours. It will buy for you. So in this process, you can see me identifying those gray regions. So those are the major areas of resistance and support. The market will not easily go to those areas or surpass them very easily. So those are suitable areas for marking your stop loss and your profit. If you do not want to stay in the game for long, if you want get in, get out very quick, these are your areas. So as you can see, I've placed a lot of 40 cents in Drift Switch 10 index. So let's see how much money it has given me from $10. Since we are only growing the small account safely and sound, if you see that structure, it's an M. I will explain that in another video on why those are very important as well, but you need to learn your price action very well, and I will teach that. Join my Telegram group. The links are in the comment section pinned, and others are in the description box. You come down there and then we will uncover certain truths together. So it has given me $17. Now total I'm in $27. It means I can even leverage a higher grade position in the next one. This is good. This is good for the improvement of the account. Not forgetting safety as well. Not forgetting safety. So I've got another flag pattern here. If you identify, you're only trading flag patterns. So I've got another one. What type is this one? This one is a bearish flag. So the last one was a bullish flag and it sold. This one is a bearish flag, and with bearish flags they are all known to go down there. So when is the time do they go down? How do you identify that this time they are going down? There is a major distance that it can even reverse a bit. This is the one that I'm setting the gray area on. It can reverse a bit on that direction. So if your lot is suitable within the lot size suitable within the retracement area, you can survive. But if it retraces and you have gone full again, you will blow. So right here I've placed my sell of 0.01 lot and I have multiplied it a bit so that I can earn a bit and we can move faster. If you check that, it has gone up a little bit, but it wasn't dangerous for the account as the maximum loss was like $10, and then it went down to give even much more money. So this is the reason with the flag, when it goes in its intended direction, it will definitely reverse a bit and then go in its intended direction. So the only thing we can do right now is close my positions. Why? So we can leverage a high grade position on the next trade. That would mean that we can reach $1,000 very quickly. I'm gonna share these tips in my Telegram group as well as SageX. So join those two groups. I'm gonna send in each one of them. I'm gonna send free giveaways there, and I think on the next account that I trade will be a giveaway for a certain person. I'll just choose a random person, maybe in the comment section I will, or maybe in the last comment sections, whichever way I choose preferable. So V51 second, the first reason also you need to be aware for this chart, it is very high volatile. If you just do one funny business or enter a wrong lot, you can blow simply as that. If you are in your lucky day, you can even earn very much money. The first days that I was in my learning, I used to play around using this one. So if you can see over there, I was just testing my lot that if I was facing loss on the other side, how much would I have lost, of which it was, small money, so I wouldn't have blown. So be careful on V51 second and V75 and V25 1 second. Those ones if you just do wrong business, enter a funny lot that is very high and it doesn't go your way, you go kaboom. So this is good news. V51 second has gone in our best direction for our own benefit. So the best thing we can do is close our trades. I once heard a motivational speaker say that if you take a screenshot when you make profits, close the profits right after you take the screenshot, because you wouldn't take that screenshot if you were not proud of yourself. So I advise the same. If you just take a screenshot of your trade, then close those trades afterwards and move on, because staying in there long, you could lose those funds. So although I'm not a financial advisor, I want everyone to be financial literate on their investments and everything, and don't do borrowed funds. That's just bad. Don't do that. So from 27 we are in about a lot, so I'm gonna close from 27. We are in 305. Oh, this is good. So from this point we can even leverage very big. We can even go full again, and in hopes to get a lot more money, but I'll just go semi full again. Some don't know how to use full again very much, so I'm here for you, and I will teach you in the Telegram group, either SageX and Legends of Quasimodo. Join those two, links are in the description. So in this area I'm gonna try to find flag patterns with everyone, You see I'm in boom 1000. I also trade boom, crash and boom. So just because I don't show them in my videos, it doesn't mean I don't trade them. I'm gonna make a video for them soon, because everyone loves these two. So but I didn't find a flag pattern in boom 1000. So in fact, the one that I found is like now forming the second leg halfway down there, so it's an invalid entry. Now from volatility 10, couldn't find anything. We are in volatility 50. There is something, but it is not clear for me to show you a very easier one, so I think I'm gonna schedule and find another one. In volatility 75, we have it here. There is one over there. This I'm gonna outline it for you. This is the bottom line, the bottom trend line. I'm gonna set it up, and I'm gonna set the top one so that you can fully identify this bearish flag pattern. So this is how you identify it. It's almost as easy as that, so don't get confused next time. You just identify the first leg and then a certain consolidation area. Like I mentioned in the last video, consolidation happens because some sellers and some buyers are both competing, buying and selling. So consolidation begins to happen in the market, and then when everyone is all settled down, in their positions, they are finished with their setups in the wait for profit, then the market will go in its intended direction. So in V25, I've got also another setup which I have found for this flag, and let's move to another one for volatility 100. We've got another one as well. This one is a bullish flag. It's as easy to identify these things, guys, but if you identify a flag and it's in the middle like that one, don't take trades unless you are putting a small lot and then you're going for a bigger time frame. Do not, if you are doing quick entries, don't catch it halfway. You catch it in the top trend line or bottom trend line. For those that I'm just skipping without drawing, they are not clear, so they are not worth our time. We will kindly move on to the next one. We are in volatility 75 1 second, and here we have got a good one. It's a bearish flag, very simple and very effective. Forgive me for my voice, guys. I think I'm catching flu. And if you want me to get well soon, kindly visit my Telegram group and join there. So this is interesting. This is getting interesting. We are in volatility 101 second. We are looking for entries. We are looking for flags, to be specific. So I'm gonna show you how to draw these flags. Start with your top trend line or bottom trend line. Make sure that each part is connected to 2 or more points at a time to ensure maximum accuracy. So this is very simple. Over there, it is very clear that the market will then go down. So we could not find an entry in this trade, so let's find another one. So in V200 1 second, not clear. V300, I'm not sure if this pair is working correctly, so let's just move to another one. It's jump 75. From jump 75 there is something there, so if it's small you can turn to minute 15, and if it's still small then you can just leave it. Here we are in jump 50. It is not clear. Let's move to another one. Jump 25 index. Jump 25 index, I've already drawn the trend line, and it's going down. So let's just go to jump 10 and see. Jump 10 is something alright. Yes, jump 10 is something alright, but it's not that clear, but yeah, it's good. You can zoom in if you want to. So put your trend line there. Very simple. and then you put the bottom to clearly demarcate these two separate regions and where you'll be entering your position. So since this one is going down like that, if you enter your sell there, be rest assured that it will glide down with you, and you can exit in the bottom. Even if you go full again here, it's very good. So let's go to drift switch 10 index. Drift switch has got a little something too. You guys, you have seen how much flags I'm identifying, and then you fail to find these setups. These setups are very simple. So if you can see that one, that's the first leg. Some don't understand the first leg, second leg strategy. Kindly equate to this. You see the first leg, it is equal to the second leg. So when you are trading the second leg, this is what you are trading. This is how we set the gray area of the TP. It's equal to the one in the first leg there. It's very simple. So in our final trade, we're going to have something like this. So don't worry, we have got a surprise too that's gonna help us later, like Mickey Mouse said. So here we did not find an entry. We're in drift switch index 30. We couldn't find anything. Here in jump 100, nothing too. So but jump 10, I've already drawn something. So this one is clear. In jump 10, we're gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Let's scavenge for more entries. We're in V100 1 second. This one is another clear. I'm gonna enter that one. So why did I buy here? Because it's a bullish flag. So I've entered 40 positions. It's still not for my gain, but I've entered 40 positions. So 40 positions multiplied by that distance, 16 per each position. That's good. So if you measure just like the previous entry that I shown you, that is the first one and the second one. So all we do is wait for the entry. So if you see the second entry there, so you see the first leg there, then the second leg there, they are all equal. And I've measured the distance using those gray spaces. It's kind of direct. This shouldn't be hard for anyone. You just watch the video, copy everything, put your lots, and get rich there. Get rich. So in the description, I'll obviously leave my email for if there's any business inquiries that you may want for us to collab. If there's any information you might need, you can use the email in the description. So we are going up. It didn't even resist that much or retrace, so that's good. So we are waiting for it to go to the up region, to the region on the upside there. That will give us a little bit more money. In my usual days, I usually just get out there, but for learning's purpose, I will stick around and show you that it will definitely go. And sometimes it can even come down to your entry point and then go up, just so it can scare you, because the market knows that some people out there will exit if it comes down a little bit, like it has done there. You see, it has went down below my entry point just a bit. Let's measure how much loss I would have made there. So each position had a loss of $2.30 loss. I have 40 positions and my capital was 300. So I think we should calculate that so we can see. Let me open my calculator. So $2.30 multiplied by 40 positions we get $92. This was my loss from a $300 account, so obviously we all know that it wouldn't have blown. But now we are in massive profit. It has reached the second gray area, the TP area that I've shown you. So this is great. This is good news. So I'm gonna close my trade, and I'm gonna call it quits. So the next one on the next account will be a giveaway. I'll definitely trade one of you guys' account, and we can hope for the best. And any other businesses, for regular account management, I start from $500. So that I can limit, since everyone will have like a dollar, and those ones are difficult to raise. But from 500 to 1,000, those ones in a day I can make 10,000. So let's go, guys. Let's get working. This one is killed right here. This one has been killed. Also, my favorite, I didn't tell you, it's boom and crash. Why? Because it is the giant for deriv. If you create your deriv account, the links will be in the description box, and also in the comment section. That's the only way you can trade on weekends. We can never rest until we are rich enough. So on weekends we trade the deriv synthetics, and even on the weekdays we do that as well. And while also battling on the financial side, we trade those as well, gold, etc. So for free signals, you join the Telegram groups in the description below and in the comment section. So in 1.2 we will close our position of V101 second. Now $1.2 we withdraw and we make use of it, guys. You see, the first leg, second leg are all equal, so that shouldn't be hard. Join this group, link in the description, link in the comment section. As also is if you want to create your trading account for deriv, let's do that so that we can all trade together at the same time. And if I give a signal, you won't miss out because you have your account of your own. So goodbye for now.